So in this pandemic, the demand of online classes is going so high. Internet and technology have made the world so small that just a click makes everything possible. Even our education system is not untouched by this development. Benefits of online learning for the school students are here. First of all, flexibility. We know that during our school hours, the timings are fixed and you have to study based on the schedule set for the day. As a student, you may have a duties to balance. So many duties every student is having to balance. Like at the what time they have to study, at what time they have to play. So here online learning play an important role in saving your time for other productive activities. Sometimes students are slow in learning, will take the time to grasp the concepts. This kind of learning will help such students where they can learn at their own pace, like at their own speed. So with online learning programs, parents can teach their kids anytime, anywhere. It helps students and parents with unlimited access to their school curriculum. Next one, it is a cost effective. Yes, online programs are very affordable. Students can save your parents money on traveling as you can conveniently do at home. It only requires an internet connection and devices like laptops, computers or tablets. Parents are also relieved from paying extra money for their travel and other expenses in offline classes. So online platforms are very less economical compared to offline classes. Students can engage more on learning than traveling. Next one, fun and easy. As nowadays each and every student want to learn with fun. So nowadays school students are more interested in learning with the fun activities. They are able to learn more effectively with the online classes which have more interesting features, videos, images, documentaries, etc. Due to this advanced technology, everyone is aware of the digital world and its applications. Whenever you want to study or refer to any study material, online learning can be more effective. Next one, availability of the resources. Online learning platforms have abundant study materials. You can watch multiple documentaries, videos, chapters and units of all the classes. You just need to type the content in the search engine and you can find out the results. You can extract the information on any topic for learning. Parents can help their children in case of any queries or doubts related to their curriculum at their home, and also can approach your teachers for any doubt for the same. These learning platforms help to learn for their tests, practicals, assignments, projects and exams. Easy availability of instructors are also there. We know that students require lot of support and guidance during their learning process. Parents can act as an instructor at home by providing guidance to their children in learning. They can help them in connecting to teachers whenever they need to have clarification and discussion. Teachers are always there to help if they are struggling in any of the concepts, like in any of the theories in their studies. Easy accessibility. To enhance your learning experience, accessibility is the most important factor in the education. There are a lot of students shy, who feel shy away from asking the questions in the classroom. In such cases, online learning helps you to improve your questioning skills. Since everything is online, accessing studying materials and submitting tasks is very convenient. It helps in improving your self-discipline. So online learning also enhances your learning abilities not only in the academics but also in overall improvement of individual personality. It enhances self-motivations, responsibility and time management skills also. Parents give utmost support during the learning process. With this, you will be forced to learn self-discipline by managing your time and tasks. So here I'm done with some benefits of online classes. So thank you.